The world of presidential security is about to take another leap forward. The United States is preparing for the arrival of the 2026 Cadillac Presidential Limousine, an armored fortress on wheels, codenamed the Beast. With cutting-edge technology, enhanced security measures, and luxury fit for the leader of the free world, this next-generation limousine is expected to be the most advanced in history. Over the decades, presidential limousines have transformed from simple luxury sedans to high-tech armored vehicles. The 2018 Cadillac-based limousine introduced by GM set a new standard in security, but with the rapid advancement in technology and global threats, an upgrade was inevitable. Enter the 2026 Cadillac Presidential Limousine, a machine engineered for absolute protection and unparalleled performance. From the outside, the 2026 Cadillac Limousine retains its bold, elongated design, resembling a stretched Cadillac Escalade or CT6. However, beneath the sleek exterior lies a military-grade armored shell. The body is reinforced with layers of titanium, aluminum, and ceramic composites, designed to withstand armor-piercing rounds, explosives, and even biological attacks. Each door is as heavy as a commercial jet's cabin door, and the windows are constructed with multi-layered bulletproof glass capable of resisting high-caliber gunfire. The vehicle also features night vision cameras, an AI-assisted surveillance system, and a reinforced undercarriage to protect against mines and IEDs. Step inside, and the 2026 Cadillac Limousine offers the ultimate blend of security and luxury. The cabin is completely sealed against chemical and biological threats, with its own oxygen supply and advanced air filtration system. The seats are wrapped in handcrafted leather with embedded biometric scanners for access control. A next-gen infotainment system provides direct communication with the White House, Pentagon, and Air Force One. Encrypted satellite phones, GPS tracking, and an emergency panic button ensure the president remains connected in any crisis. Powering this armored beast is expected to be a hybrid powertrain, either a modified Duramax diesel engine or a twin-turbo V8, delivering immense torque for rapid acceleration despite its heavy armor. The reinforced chassis and adaptive suspension provide a smooth ride while maintaining stability in high-speed maneuvers. With run-flat tires and an advanced all-wheel drive system, the 2026 Cadillac can escape even the most dangerous situations, ensuring the safety of the commander-in-chief. When it comes to defense, this limousine is unmatched. Equipped with a self-sealing fuel tank, tear gas dispensers, and an EMP protection system, the vehicle can withstand cyber threats and electronic warfare. Additionally, hidden compartments store medical supplies, firearms, and even a supply of the president's blood type in case of emergencies. The 2026 Cadillac Presidential Limousine is more than just a car. It's a mobile command center, an armored sanctuary, and a testament to American engineering. While its full capabilities remain classified, one thing is certain: the President of the United States will travel in unparalleled safety and style. What do you think about the 2026 Cadillac Beast? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive insights.